In this video, we explore the best battery chargers for power tools, highlighting top options that ensure fast, efficient charging to keep your tools ready for any job. Watch to find the perfect charger for your need. Let's start with the Makita DC18RD dual-port rapid charger. Priced at $122, this charger is a solid pick for anyone using Makita's 18-volt tools. It can charge 2 batteries at once with 2.0 amp-hour batteries, fully charged in just 25 minutes, and 5.0 amp-hour batteries in 45 minutes. While it might not have the fancy features of higher-end models, it gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Plus, it includes a USB port for charging your devices, making it a convenient addition to your toolkit. Whether you're a pro on the job site or a DIYer at home, the DC18RD ensures you always have power when you need it. This charger is perfect for keeping your tools running without breaking the bank. The DeWalt FLEXVOLT portable power station is a solid choice for anyone needing portable power without breaking the bank. It delivers 1,800 continuous watts and up to 3,600 watts of peak power, handling most corded tools with ease. Unlike traditional generators, this unit runs on 420-volt max batteries, including FLEXVOLT, so you don't need gas and it's much quieter. The real highlight is its dual functionality. It not only powers your tools, but also serves as a multi-port charger, charging up to 4 batteries at once when plugged into an outlet. Weighing just 18 pounds, it's light enough to take anywhere, and the built-in cooling fan and tough roll cage make it durable for any job site. At around $599, it's a great value for pros and DIYers who need power on the go without the hassle of fumes or noise.The RIDGID AC8400094 Gen 5X dual-port charger is a solid option for anyone needing fast and efficient charging for their 18-volt RIDGID batteries. This charger is designed to power 2 batteries simultaneously, making it perfect for those with multiple tools. Charging speeds are impressive, with RIDGID's charger capable of fully charging most 18-volt batteries in under an hour, ensuring you're back up and running quickly. A standout feature is its pass-through AC outlets, which let you plug in tools or electronics without sacrificing outlet space. While some chargers can leave you juggling multiple devices, the RIDGID charger's dual USB ports make it easy to keep your phones or tablets powered on the go. The wall-mountable design is a bonus for those looking to save space, and while its build is sturdy, the dual-port setup means it can handle the workload without skipping a beat. Get it for just $75, offering excellent value. If you're looking for fast charging with a solid, durable design, Milwaukee's M12 and M18 rapid charge station is the way to go. It's built to handle both M12 and M18 batteries, charging up to 3 at once and can charge them up to 40% faster than standard chargers. The unit's compact and easy-to-handle design is perfect for those tight spaces, and the RedLink intelligence ensures each battery gets the optimal charge for maximum lifespan. You also get a pass-through outlet, which means you can keep your tools powered up while the batteries charge. While the station is easy to use, it does take up some space on your workbench, so keep that in mind if you're tight on room. At $199, it's a solid choice for anyone already invested in Milwaukee's tool system, offering a great balance of performance and price. The Makita DC10WD lithium-ion charger delivers solid performance for those who need fast and efficient charging. It's compact, lightweight, and easy to use, ensuring your 12-volt max batteries are ready to go quickly. While it doesn't offer the speed of some larger chargers, it still gets the job done, charging a 1.5 amp-hour battery in just 50 minutes. The charging status indicator provides useful feedback, so you're never left guessing about the progress. The design is practical and the charger is small enough to fit in tight spaces or mount on a wall to save room. Though not the fastest charger on the market, it provides the convenience and reliability you'd expect from Makita tool. At $55.99, it's a great value for users who need a quick charge without the bulk of larger models. It's a solid choice for anyone in the Makita 12-volt max system.